Hey guys, finally we got our proper sailing rig for the ITIWIT 2 kayak, and as you can see, yes, you're not looking at something that hasn't been done before. It's actually being done before, but this time we have it on our ITIWIT kayak. Is actually transparent. You can see my shadow right there. Hello. So it is actually transparent. Check this out. So we have our rudder stock redesign with the same old rudder that I made out of plywood from previous episode, and we have an interesting part now is this transom. We have this transom. It was made out of a plastic builder's bucket. And then we have the tiller arm. This tiller arm is made out of, as you can see, it's actually carbon. It's made from a fishing rod. So it's a bigger fishing rod with a smaller fishing rod inside, locked with this is a bolt and a wing nut. And now, woohoo, we have a pulley. Not a pulley, but 4 pulleys. 1, 2, 3, and down there 4. So from here it goes up here, runs all the way down here to the middle and down there. Then I've put a stopper knot just to stop it from reversing out of the pulley. So yeah, and we still have our same umbrella parasol base from IKEA, effective. And this time, as you can see, this blue rope here, I'm actually hugging the whole craft body so that instead of pulling on this tie points, which are supposed to be for the seats of the ITIWIT, I've used a bigger rope around the body so that we hug the body instead of torturing the skin of this kayak. So should be stronger. So this rig holds the sail so that we have a good mounting point. It doesn't fall. It won't like pull the skin too much. It should be a trouble. Too much force for the body. So we lighten the weight and the force on this points, both sides, to these big ropes here. There. And the one in the front, it goes down to the nose handle. I think that would be fine. This is actually least of my worries because you don't get much force coming up front. It's just to hold it down like that. So there you go. We are ready to sail. The ocean's calling us. Hello guys! Welcome to our new sail video. We are out on a 4 knots 3 to 4 knots, 9 gust kind of wind. We are not doing much speed on this, but I can see that the sail is formed nice. The rigging is nice. Rigging looks great, works great so far. The walking stick, it works, really convenient. I can steer far and wide both ways like that. You can see have some action there. Yeah, you can see the whole craft turning. So I can't find much wind, so we are trying to get some sail on. Today is a test rig day. I don't really need a lot of wind, but I'm happy that the sail is formed really nice. The form of the sail is nice. That's the important part. We're doing good progress. Good day to test. It's locked down, but some people are still out and about with their family and kids, going on the pedal boards and things like that, and people still can bring their dogs to the beach because it's not 1st of May yet. So yeah, it's nice. Let's record some more videos. Let me put it on the rig, and then so that I can put it on a waterproof, so that we can do a little bit of harder sailing if you have good wind. Alright. A bit more sailing. We're getting waves now. I think I'm going to tip over in a bit. Woohoo! So horrible today. The wind is like almost none.